Hi guys, happy Friday. I hope you're all having a really beautiful day so far. I just got the most exciting delivery and I thought I would do an unboxing because I thought you might be interested because it's a question I get asked all the time. So I got a new blender and I'm so excited about this because I've been needing to upgrade for a while now, and this one I am so stoked about. It's a 100% Australian owned and run company. A company called Mod, and they do amazing cold pressed juices and this Mod Blend Pro, which is their smoothie. And yeah, I'm super excited about it. So this is a pretty big box, starting with the lid and the tamper tool, which I'm so stoked to have another one of these because I broke my old one on my old blender on literally the first time I ever used the blender and it shattered into a billion pieces. So stoked to have one again. Yeah, never do what I did and always put the lid on your blender when you're using this tamper tool because otherwise it will destroy it completely. Now, here is the big part. So this is the blender jug and it's 2 liters, so it's really big, perfect for making smoothies and juices and soups and blending everything. And it's also BPA free and super strong, which is definitely needed for things like nut butters. If you look inside, these blades are super strong and they spin at 30,000 RPM. So that means you'll get a super smooth texture of your smoothies, which is absolutely essential if you're a smoothie addict like me. And it's also got a 5-year warranty on it, which is definitely an essential because investing in a good quality blender if you use it every day is such a must. Now, here is the base. And here is the base of the blender, and it's got a digital display screen here, and it actually has 5 different pre-programmed settings. So to make smoothies and juices and soups, there are pre-programmed settings which are exactly the amount of time you need to make. So for example, the smoothie one is 45 seconds, I think, which is the amount of time you need to get a smoothie super smooth but not like runny from the warmth. And then the soup and hot drink one is 8 minutes, which actually heats it up for you, so you don't even need to cook it. And it also has a pulse setting, which is also important for making things like raw balls where you need to pulse the dough a lot of the times. And yeah, so I'm really excited to try this out soon. And I think I'm probably going to make a batch of raw balls now because I'm all out. But yeah, for those of you who always asked what blender I recommend, I couldn't recommend this company more so far because they're so down to earth and all their products are so high quality and they have amazing service. And I couldn't recommend. Anyway, I hope that unboxing was interesting. Let me know if you liked it or if you have any questions, and stay tuned for a tutorial which will be coming soon of maybe a smoothie or a soup. Let me know what you guys like.